National Weather Service in Burlington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Lamoille County in northwestern Vermont, northeastern Washington County in central Vermont, southwestern Caledonia County in northeastern Vermont until 10 p.m. At 8:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Johnson, Vermont in Lamoille County, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Stowe, Hardwick, Danville, Morrisville, Woolgate, Calais, Johnson, Worcester, Walden, Woodbury, Elmer, Peacham, Hyde Park, Marshfield, Cabot, Ricker State Park, Green Bank Hollow, Stillwater State Park, East Peacham, and East Johnson. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now the official national